Introducing the new aux Pro rechargeable LED light with inbuilt wireless speaker, the newest addition to the blue LED range, powered by aux. Featuring 3 options of LED lumen light output, 650 lumens, 1200 lumens, and 2300 lumens, and a built-in wireless Bluetooth speaker. Unleash the power of this portable worksite essential with a 4000 HAH lithium-ion battery with a rotating 180-degree holder, stand, and hole for temporary screw installation. You can adjust the light to suit your working needs in any environment. Portable and wireless, it's capable of lighting up any remote workspace for up to 6.5 hours off a single charge. Built tough and lightweight with an aluminum body, PC lens, and an IK07 impact resistance rating, this aux LED light is built tough. No bull, just aux.